Alert forecast.
And there is the view as seen from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Regional Airport here on this Tuesday evening. Another scorcher of a day. Not a whole lot of cloud cover, high humidity, and yeah, we've been dealing with triple-digit heat index values or real feel temperatures. And this was day 7 of the ongoing and current heat wave, touching 94 at the airport. Could have been a little higher in some spots, and even at this hour, you can still see a lot of middle and some lower 90s across the Piedmont, lower 90s out to the west. The temporary sensor has gone down at the airport, but you can still see some of the heat index or real feel temperatures. 104 in Culpeper, 102 in Palmyra and Louisa, 107 there in Dillon, and 101 in Livingston. We do have the heat advisory until 8 o'clock. And another first alert weather day for Wednesday, because we'll basically be dealing with the same conditions once again. So take all those precautions to stay cool. First alert Doppler radar showing you a quiet scan now. Back this up about 4 hours, and we did have a few pop and drop showers and thunder showers. They're really short-lived and they don't sustain themselves. And again, you may have been one of the lucky ones that got a little bit of rain. Most of us did not. There's an opportunity tomorrow afternoon, right now kind of looking at the timing between 4 and 8 o'clock, for a line of showers and thunderstorms to queue up and work across the region. That would help a little bit to knock the temperatures down and provide a little bit of rain. We'll see if that works out. Temperatures for the overnight in the muggy mid and low 70s under partly cloudy skies. Another hot and humid day here for Wednesday. First alert weather day with those heat indices during the afternoon between 103 and 108. Now tomorrow afternoon, I mentioned that line of storm potential. There is a marginal risk, low on the scale for severe storms, the main threat being damaging wind gusts with those that do develop. Now looking toward Friday, we do expect much cooler temperatures, a break from the heat wave, and some rain. But the model trends are for most of the heavier rain to stay basically east of I-95. It may back into the Route 15 corridor with lesser amounts here across our portion of central Virginia into the Shenandoah Valley, where we may see less than half an inch. As we take a look at a bigger story, this is the remnant low of what was Hurricane Beryl. It's still working its way up through southern Illinois. On the southeast side of that circulation, that's where the tornado watch box is, and this has been a prolific tropical system bringing numerous tornadoes yesterday and again today. So bigger cities like Cincinnati and Louisville and Bowling Green and Evansville, Indiana, all being impacted by the remnants of what was Hurricane Beryl that'll head up toward Toronto. Here we are overnight. Things are muggy. It's quiet. Temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, say between 4 and 8 o'clock, we'll see if this line queues up with a weak front to bring us some relief, and then that'll depart. And Thursday, a little less humid. Temperatures will still be hot on Thursday, many of us in the low 90s, and then we'll watch for some rain in here and cooler numbers for Friday. Partly cloudy, muggy tonight in the low and mid 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, with still the heat wave continuing at least through Thursday for most locations. Some rain and cooler temperatures on Friday, but right now the trend is for heavier rain to stay off to our east. More heat this weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.